Strengthen your immune system. Naturally diet, sleep, and exercise tips. Welcome back to Health and Fitness University. Today we're boosting your first line of defense, your immune system. Your immune system protects you 24/7 from viruses, infections, and inflammation. But to do that well, it needs your support, especially in today's world. In this video, you'll learn how to naturally strengthen your immunity through food, sleep, movement, and lifestyle, without pills, powders, or extreme routines. If you want more energy, fewer sick days, and stronger defenses, let's get into it. Section 1. Immunity-boosting foods. What you eat shapes how your immune system performs. These foods are your body's natural defense squad. 1. Citrus fruits, oranges, lemons, grapefruit, packed with vitamin C, which increases white blood cell production. 2. Leafy greens and broccoli, full of fiber, antioxidants, and essential vitamins like A, C, and E. 3. Garlic and ginger, fight off illness by reducing inflammation and supporting immune response. 4. Yogurt and fermented foods, rich in probiotics that help balance your gut, and 70% of your immune system lives in your gut. 5. Fatty fish, salmon, sardines. Omega-3s reduce inflammation and support cell repair. Pro tip: drink plenty of water and cut back on sugar and processed foods. They weaken your immune response. Section 2. Exercise that supports immunity. Exercise doesn't just tone your body, it activates your immune cells, improves circulation, and reduces stress hormones. 1. Moderate cardio, 30 minutes per day. Walking, biking, or swimming enhances immune cell movement and readiness. 2. Yoga and stretching. Lowers cortisol, stress hormone, helping your body stay calm and alert against invaders. 3. Resistance training. Strength training supports hormonal balance and circulation, all good for immune regulation. Avoid overtraining. Too much intense exercise without recovery can suppress your immune system. Rest is part of the plan. Section 3. Sleep and recovery for immune health. Sleep is when your body resets and your immune system recharges. 1. Aim for 7 to 9 hours per night. Sleep deprivation increases your risk of getting sick and slows your body's response to infection. 2. Power down devices. Blue light from screens disrupts melatonin and delays deep sleep. Turn off devices at least an hour before bed. 3. Skip caffeine. Late in the day, caffeine after 2 p.m. can interfere with your sleep cycle. Bonus tip: try magnesium-rich foods like almonds or dark leafy greens in the evening to support rest. Section 4. Daily habits that build immunity. Your immune system responds to everything, not just food and fitness. Try these immune-boosting habits. 1. Get sunlight, 15 to 20 minutes a day. Natural vitamin D helps regulate immune response. 2. Practice deep breathing or meditation. Chronic stress weakens immunity. Breathe deeply to reduce inflammation and calm your nervous system. 3. Laugh often and stay connected. Laughter increases immune cells and lowers stress hormones. Yes, joy heals. 4. Practice good hygiene. Hand washing, clean environments, and not touching your face still go a long way. A strong immune system isn't built overnight, but with daily habits, you can give your body the tools it needs to protect you naturally. Eat clean, move daily, rest deeply, and reduce stress. Your immune system will thank you with more energy and fewer sick days. If you're ready to feel stronger from the inside out, give this video a thumbs up and comment your favorite immunity booster. And don't forget to subscribe to Health and Fitness University for weekly tips that fuel your wellness. Strengthen your system, nourish your life, stay healthy,